Hello friend, welcome again your own channel Mind Thunder. If you are troubled by the locking of the Android phone, then this video is going to be very special for all the viewers today. So all the viewers who are now on this new on this channel, I request them to subscribe our channel. Today the technique with which we are going to unlock our phone so that none of your application data or anything will be your lost, and your phone will be also be unlocked without visiting any service center and without lost of any data or application. To see this unlocking process from beginning to end, stay on this video without skipping. Only then you will be able to understand the whole process well as unlock your phone, as well as you will be able to help any of your friend and your family member. Many times what happens is that your phone, when you set the password and you forgot the password or pattern after some hours or day, in that case today you I will tell you in a very easy way that you can unlock your phone. So let's move on the video, but before going to start the video, first check, make sure your phone must be in flight mode and your battery percentage above 40 to 50%, because your phone is not turned off during the unlocking process. If the phone is turned off, then your application also go in the risky mode, and your data and any data can also be deleted. And one more thing I want to share with you today, I am telling this password for unlocking. If it is not support, then definitely share in your comment section, our comment section, because this code can also support in many handset, also may not support in many handset. So you can easily unlock any type of Android phone like Realme, Oppo, Vivo, Samsung, Poco, Xiaomi, any type of Android phone you can unlock. Now you can able to see this phone is locked, so the password, and bottom on the screen you can able to see emergency calls option here. So click on it and you can able to see keypad is ready for numeric method. So now you have to press this secret code, which is used in service center also, and this code is a star 6342 005 a star 956. After that you have to press hash. This code, if you want to take note down, please note down. If you want to take a screenshot, please take a screenshot. And this code is star 6342 005 a star 956. After that you have to press hash, and you have to call three time, minimum three time you have to press on this number. You will get this type of call field message. Ignore this message and erase these numbers and apply this engineer mode code, and this is which is very useful. Without this code we can't able to unlock any Android phone, and which is used in service center also. And this code is star hash 899. After that you have to press, once you have to press the hash, you will get this type of page on your screen, and this page name is engineer mode page. You can able to see on the top of the screen, and you can able to see there are so many options is coming like a product information, GPS, automatic test, manual test, software version, check IMEI info, PCB number. This is the very, you can also tell, like this is the page of your Android phone history you can generate here from your Android phone. So you can able to see, first check your software version, what Android version you have, which models you have. You can able to see this phone is and this model is Android version is 12. So click on your factory version, the same number as per. Similarly, your Android version is 654 anything. Press on the factory version as per Android version. So I am going to press 12 time 12 because my Android version is 12. So I am going to click on factory version 12. 12 time I am going to click fastly. After that, you have to come back from this option and press manual test. Second row device debugging page. Now you can able to see, you can click on proximity sensor test and click here on proximity calibration. Model calibration need call devices, wrong calibration. You have to confirm here, okay, and come back from this option now. check sensor self-test and calibration, and finally you can able to see gyroscope accelerometer both operation not started. Once must have to be a start here. One must have to be test pass here in each of them. Anyone must have to be passed. So come without this process we can't go for the next step. So apply this method repeatedly. Gyroscope accelerometer. Now finally gyroscope is the past now. So come back from this option and check magnetic sensor is working or not. So finally this is working. Wait here till 5 to 10 second here. Stay here minimum 5 to 10 second and come back, and you can check through the M sensor auto tested, and now you can able to see test successful. Come back from this option. Now we are going for the last option. After swiping the last page you can able to see others option. So now here you can able to see 4 5 option is coming. So if you, what is the Android version, what you have to do in earlier starting video. So click here same as per your Android version, because I am going to click here 12 time because my Android version is 12. So you have to press here the same process, and don't forget to click here and confirm here direct important lock test. And you can able to see wrong password is coming, it means your password is reset now. All, and you can able to see through the key status also. Finally this key status all are pass except HDCP and FIDO PKI cert, FIDO's 2 key, because this key is not support on this Android phone. After completing all the process, now it's time to check our phone whether the lock of your phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button. And as you can see, my dear friend, our phone is unlocked without loss of any data or application, as I committed on starting in the video. So I hope you like this video, subscribe our channel, like and share.